All right, guys, so I want to show you some of the best content you can get for free on your Roku device. Now, a lot of these channels that I'm about to show you, these apps, they are going to be a freemium model, meaning you're going to have ads, right? There's just no way around it. That's how these different streaming companies are going to make money. They're going to show you ads. But with that, you're going to get a lot of content for free. So first, we'll just start with the OG, which is the Roku channel. Don't sleep on it. The Roku channel has a ton of different content for free and paid. So you can see on the sports one, there's a dollar sign in the bottom left corner. That means that it's a paid thing. So we're probably not going to do that. But all of this other content that I'm scrolling through besides Sonic the Hedgehog 3 is all free stuff. So these are paid. And if I want to go to movies and find some free movies, I can find them here. Now, again, not all of these are going to be totally free. Some of these do come with a required trial of whatever the streaming service is. So just stay away from those. But you click on it, click watch now, and enjoy the movie. The next one is, again, it's a classic, but just in case people forgot, we have Tubi. This is free movies and TV. I'm almost 100% sure everything in here is free. So all of this content that you are seeing here is free. The only thing is you're going to get ads when you're watching it. But you know what? They got a lot of good titles in here, it looks. So definitely a great option. The next one maybe isn't as popular. Oops, let me go back. Or well known. And that is Pluto TV. So it even says stream now, pay never, because that is their model. So in here, you're going to have a ton of additional content that you can, again, watch for free. You're going to get those ads. Account creation is required for a lot of these. For this one, it was required, but you know, you're just creating an account so that you can watch the movies. Most popular movies. Looks like we got some Fridays, all the Fridays, The Longest Yard, a lot of really good stuff here. The next one I want to show you isn't for actual movies or TV. It is fitness. This is Fit On. And again, it's going to be a freemium model, but honestly, their paid programs aren't even that bad. It's like $30 for the full year. But this is health and wellness, and all of these workouts in here are going to be free as well. It's kind of like a Pelt, but instead of paying $50 a month, you're getting it for free. So let's look at a HIIT class. I can come in here and choose. Oh, we got some body weight. Great, I need that. Let's do body weight activate, and we'll hit start. And it does take a second to load. So you can see this is about a 15-minute class, a little bit shorter. Come on, you can do it. So you get your timer and your coach, and he's going to run you through all of the things you need to do for this workout, which is cool because it's free. It's guided. You can do it at home. So these are the top 4 apps that I have for you guys. If you have other ones that are pretty good, drop them in the comments. And thanks for being here. See you next time. Bye.